Hello, in this video we will identify a head and shoulders chart pattern. The head and shoulders chart pattern is a trend reversal pattern. It usually appears as the final stage of a developed uptrend. It is formed by a peak followed by a higher peak, the head, and then another lower peak, the right shoulder. A neckline connects the lowest points of two troughs. By inspecting this pound US dollar chart in 4-hour time frame, we can see a formation right in the middle of the chart which corresponds to this description. Here is a peak followed by a higher peak, the head, and then another lower peak, the right shoulder. Let us mark them by using an ellipse shape. So this is the first peak, the left shoulder, followed by a higher peak, the head, and then another lower peak, the right shoulder. A neckline connecting the lowest points of two troughs is this line corresponding to these two troughs. And as we can see, the price was rising in an uptrend, but then it reversed and started falling as the head and shoulders chart pattern was formed and the price broke below the neckline of the chart pattern.